Hey lads, how's it going? My name is Arslan Khalik and this is Relax and Now. In this video we are going to change the color of this car to white. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and go to the hue and saturation and click on the hand icon and click on the color of the car. Increase the hue all the way to 180 and just increase the saturation. Decrease the range and also move it with the whole of it selected like that. That's fantastic. I'm going to smoothen the transition so you will get so the results looks amazing. That's fantastic. Now I'm going to change the color of this to white. Oh, that's, my friend, looks amazing. How about white? That looks so sexy. That's look amazing. Yeah, hands down, that's look amazing. Now saturation to this and just close it and click on the mask and press Ctrl or Command I to invert it and just take a brush. Make sure it is soft front brush, white as a foreground color, and paint over the car. Just like that. That's look fantastic. Isn't that cool? Decrease the extras, just like that. And we are good to go right now. That's look fantastic, my friend. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.